Oryctolagus cuniculus, which belongs to the family Leporidae of the order Lagomorpha. It's cosmopolitan in distribution and usually found in the fields, grasslands, and open woodlands. Rabbits are small, furry mammals with long ears, short, fluffy tails, and strong, large hind legs. The rabbit is a four-footed or quadrupedal mammal showing gregarious habit. They have two pair of sharp incisors, one pair on the top and one pair on the bottom. They also have two pet teeth behind the top incisors. Their skin is comparatively thick and covered with hairs. The hairs help to keep the body warm. There are many different colors like white, grey, brown and black. Behind the eyes on the head is a pair of very long, flexible and movable external ear or pinnae. Adults weigh 4.5 to 5 kg and grow to 50 cm. Rabbits are herbivorous, eating a diet entirely of grasses and other plants. They can dig into the ground with the help of its forelimbs. Rabbits are crepuscular, which means that they are most active during the twilight hours of dusk and dawn. They move by hopping, using the long and powerful hind legs. A baby rabbit is called a kit, a female is called a doe, and a male is called a buck. Rabbit breeds of medium to large size are sexually mature at 4 to 4.5 months. Giant breeds at 6 to 9 months and small breeds at 3.5 to 4 months of age. The release of eggs in female rabbit is triggered by sexual intercourse, not by a cycle of hormones as in humans. The length of pregnancy in the rabbit is 31 days, and the female or doe can produce from 1 to 12 young each time she gives birth. She can become pregnant again within a few days of giving birth. The kids are born undeveloped with closed eyes, no fur, and an inability to regulate their own temperature. Rabbits have a lifespan of around 10 years. Domesticated rabbits can live between 8 to 12 years. Rabbit production serves many purposes. Rabbits are used for meat, wool, and skins, as pets, and even as laboratory animals for research.